loading the dosing smartwash. At the beginning of the day, the system is empty and you need to unload your more bleach into it. You set your choice valve here to load from the stinger. You attach the stinger to the system, and then that goes into the 55-gallon drum or 270-gallon tote, whatever you're using for storing your SH on your site. This valve over here is set to load the 50-gallon tank in the back, and then I would turn on my pump and I'll load my 50-gallon tank in just a few minutes. And when I'm finished, turn off the pump. I can then switch this valve and top off my bleach tank for my precision dosing. If the bleach tank is halfway full, then just leave it for your day. Might be empty. If it is empty, fill it up, pour 1 pint of sticky in there, and you'll fill it up from the stinger valve. When you take the system into the field, you're going to change the choice valve for choosing to pull from the 50-gallon tank to fill this tank, and it'll happen in about 2 minutes with the switch.